Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We wanted to do a what I eat in a day video, but it is the most beautiful day outside. I don't want to be stuck inside cooking today. I want to be out and about, and so we were like, all right, let's just eat every meal out today. See what we find. We can show you guys around Halifax, show you some of our favorite restaurants and what we're eating.
Good excuse to go out and eat all day.
Yeah, it's kind of a selfish reason why we're doing this video, but also I feel like it'll be kind of cool and interesting. So I just want to say a quick thank you to Audible, who is the sponsor of this video, but that is everything I have to say for now, so let's go get some breakfast. Okay, so we just got to Envie, which is one of the 3 dedicated vegan restaurants in Halifax. They're absolutely amazing, and if you ever come to Halifax, you definitely need to come here. Yep. They've got kind of like healthier food, they've got like Whole Foods things, and they've got comfort food stuff, so yeah.
Did you hear my belly grumble?
No.
Okay.
I'm hungry too.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other, no way in between.
So the next place we're going on our vegan food tour of Halifax is a place called Humani-t Cafe. They're like a health store slash cafe. They have a ton of vegan gelato flavors, which is amazing. Did we just eat a massive brunch? Yes. Are we getting gelato just because we are making a cool video and it's gonna look cool? Yes.
And are we gonna eat after that?
Yes.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll.
So we got an iced gelate, which is like an iced latte with gelato. We got mint chocolate and a plastic straw. I thought they would have paper straws here. It's espresso, almond milk, and mint chocolate gelato. It's very good.
That's good.
Except, when she was about to make it, I asked her, I was like, oh, does it have milk in it? And she was like, yeah. I was like, oh, well, since we're getting the vegan gelato, like, can I get almond milk? And she was like, oh, yeah. I feel like they should ask, like, if you get a vegan gelato, they should ask if you
would think.
Want, like, a non-dairy milk, but anyway. Yeah. So if you come here, beware of that.
Always gotta be on the lookout.
I'm like watching this guy drive away. This guy just pretended to drive away and like not let his girlfriend in the car. She knows we're laughing at her. Okay, so we are just getting ready to go into the mall to go get my ear re-pierced because it grew over a while back, and now that it's like finally perfectly healed again, I'm getting it re-pierced because I've got these 2 and now I only have 1 on this ear. But we wanted to pop in and talk about Audible because at the beginning I told you guys that this video was brought to you by Audible, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I've been working with Audible for quite a long time and using it even longer than that. So Audible has kind of changed the way things work. So you used to, with a membership, get a free audiobook each month, but now you get a free audiobook plus 2 Audible originals. So you get 3 free audiobooks each month, which if you're an audiobook nerd like us,
Wow.
would probably really excite you. It really excites me. You've probably heard of the book You Are a Badass. We listened to that one. It was really, or I listened to that one. It was really good. We are listening to You Are a Badass at Making Money, which is the second one. So if you guys are looking for a recommendation, definitely check out this one if you want to learn about kind of like money mindset, manifestation, just like a better way to...
How to get rich quick.
No. A better way to look at finance and stuff like that. It's really, really good. I love her books. So if you guys are interested in checking out this or any other audiobook, you can get a free trial, which includes a month free of Audible, 1 audiobook plus 2 Audible originals by going to audible.com/live or text live to 500 if you live in the US. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get my ear pierced. You guys should go get an audiobook. Yeah, we'll show you what we eat for the rest of the day. Okay, I'm just stalling at this point because I'm scared to go get my ear pierced.
Are you really?
I've gotten this one pierced twice already and I'm just like... Okay, we're back. Ta-da! Had to sit on the floor to get it pierced because sometimes I pass out. Then I got a sucker. And now I have my ear pierced. We're back. We're fancy. And we have a guest. So we're going to a place called Niche. Previously they didn't really have any vegan options except for French fries, but a little bird told us that they have Beyond Burgers there, so we're gonna go get burgers. Do you have anything to add, either of you? Okay.
Struck me.
He's so cute. I don't know what to do.
It's so fun. Mark off. Good boy.
Back in the driveway, we tried to go down to the waterfront and find ice cream because someone told me that there was vegan ice cream at this place. It was untrue.
Just another
And
day
now
in the life of a vegan.
now we're sad. So thank you guys for coming along with us to what we eat in a day today. We ate a lot of kind of intense foods, so we didn't eat maybe as much as we normally would.
Or as well as we should.
Or as well as we should. Don't forget to check out Audible. If you want to get a free trial and 2 Audible originals and a free audiobook, go to audible.com/live. Also, earring update. Have a fun day though with you. It's
Yeah,
good.
it's fun dates.
Okay, bye. Also, if you guys haven't heard of Squish, they are this candy brand, and we just got it in Halifax, but they have so many vegan ones. So these are vegan Prosecco bears, sour wine o'clocks. These ones also taste like wine. You can probably see that I really like wine. These ones, which I had last night at the movie, they don't taste like cucumber. They taste fruity, and they're really good. Okay, these are so good. So there's 3 kinds. White, rosé, and red wine flavored sour vegan candy. Sounds kind of gross, but it's actually really good. And they told me they have an online store. So if you don't have a Squish where you live, then you can still order them. Honestly, this is a pretty good dessert. I'm fine with this. The most fancy bougie millennial thing you can possibly do is have like Prosecco gummy bears, I would say. Hi! Say hi, babe. Thank you.